Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents in PDF XChange Editor. First, open your PDF document in the editor. Then, navigate to the Protect tab in the main menu. Here, you will find the tools necessary to add your signature. You can choose to create a simple electronic signature or a more secure digital signature, depending on your needs for the document. Now let's create your signature. Click on Manage within the Protect tab to open the Signature Management dialog. You have three main options. You can type your name, which the editor will convert into a stylized font. Alternatively, you can draw your signature directly using your mouse or touchpad. For more authentic look, you can import an image file of your handwritten signature, ideally a PNG with a transparent background. Once your signature is created, it's time to place it on your document. Select your desired signature from the Signatures and Initials pane. Your cursor will change, allowing you to click and drag to position the signature precisely where you need it. You can easily resize it to fit the available space. For digital signatures, you can also customize its appearance by adding details like the current date, time, or even a custom icon. After placing and customizing your signature, review its position and any added details to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, it is crucial to save your PDF document to apply the changes permanently. This action finalizes the signing process, embedding your signature into the document. Your document is now officially signed and ready for sharing, providing a clear record of your approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.